Before we move to VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, index match, fuzzy matching, I want to take a moment to talk about lookups and how common and important they are. Let's talk about four examples where we came across a lookup in our lives without knowing. Remember the first time you created your email and the system said your preferred username is already taken. It did a lookup on the username dataset to check if the username is present or not. When you go to a store and they ask you if you are a member, and then you provide your phone number for them to verify. They look up your account in their database to verify if you exist, and if you don't, they immediately offer you to create a free account. That's one major use case of lookup to check if the record exists in the system. If it does not exist, create it or else do some update. When your mortgage company comes back saying that you did not make the payment last month and you verify from your bank account statement that you did make that payment, you just did a lookup. When you go to your local convenience store and you buy a bunch of stuff, and the person looks into his notebook to see the price of some items, he or she is doing a lookup. Lookup is very useful in validating and in merging related data. If you are new to data world, I will highly recommend you pay close attention to this because you will be using this forever in all tools and technologies related to data. Let's start with VLOOKUP or vertical lookup in our next video.